Welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video is going to be a little special video. You guys might have already guessed where am I. I'm in the kitchen. So today's vlog is going to be a cooking vlog. My first ever cooking vlog. So thought why not share it with you guys, my favorite recipe, the pink sauce macaroni recipe. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. That you require to make a pink sauce pasta is a sweet corn. This is a boiled sweet corn, 1 whole cup of milk, 1 cup of macaroni, 1 pack of Smith & Jones pasta masala. This is tomato ketchup. This is chili sauce, the green chili sauce, 2 spoons of maida, a little butter, salt as per your taste, and my favorite spice, that is pepper powder. Taken some water to boil the pastas. So I am going to add a little bit of oil to this one, around 1.5 spoon of oil. Mix it well. Let it come to a boil, then add your pastas. So the water is now boiling and I will be adding pastas into this. I am adding 1 whole cup of macaroni. So this should get boiled. The pasta should get cooked up. So by the time we'll prepare the pink sauce, heated the pan to make pink sauce. So first I will be adding butter into it. So 1 spoon of butter. Melt the butter. So the butter is melted. Now I will be adding 1 whole cup of milk into the butter. So I have taken salted butter. You can take normal butter as well. So mix it well. Cook it until it gets a boil. So to the milk, now I will be adding maida, 1, and 2 spoons of maida. Make sure this doesn't get lumped. I have beaten all the lumps of maida in the pasta's pasta sauce, sorry. Cook it for like some time, like 5 minutes is enough, because the raw flavor of maida should go. So now I will be adding some sauces. I'm adding around 1 spoon of green chili sauce, because this and the pepper is the only spices that I'll be using. So I have added around 1 spoon of chili sauce. So now I'll be adding a little bit of tomato ketchup to enhance the flavor. now I will be adding the Smith & Jones pasta masala. I have added around half a spoon, half a packet, and I'm going to mix this really well. This is an amazing thing to snack on. It is homemade and it is yummy at the same time. So now I will be adding around a spoon of pepper powder. You can add the spices according to your taste. I like having medium spice. You'll have to mix it really well. I will be adding some salt according to your taste. Again, salt is according to your taste. If you are doing this in large quantity, just double the amount of whatever I have added into this. So now the pink sauce is all ready. When this comes to a boil, I will be adding the macaroni. 1 whole cup of macaroni. And you'll have to mix it again really well. So I will be switching off the stove at this point, and now comes the hero of the recipe and my favorite thing, that is the sweet corn. This gives really amazing flavor to your pasta. I have tried having plain pasta, but that didn't give me that amazing flavor. But when I added the sweet corn, that really gave that extra flavor that was missing in the pasta. You can even add baby corns to this, but sweet corn would be better. So the pasta is all ready now.